So this is the high pressure washer. Here are the nozzles. As you can see what the red one is, the next one, and the next one. Here's the wand. And the hose hooks up right here. It just screws on. And the other end screws down there, which is hard to see. There you can see it now. With the black part, that's where the hose for the water coming in. The other one is where this hose right here hooks up. To start the machine, we just push this down, pull this out, and then we pull this cord right here. Okay, there you go. That's my little high pressure washer. It's about 2,800 PSI pressure.